In the Western world, we're getting used to people wearing face masks on the street and at work. The first good news, the mask definitely helps reducing the spread of the virus. The second good news, in the manufacturing processes of face masks, as well as in other protective filter material, there is electrostatic charging involved. Charging equipment is used in several filter manufacturing processes. Some of them require high voltages above 50 kV, others require less voltage but high current rates. In any case, Eltex has a wide selection of high voltage generators that fit the multiple requirements. In fact, we have accelerated the 60 kV version of our new power charger, which is available from today on. It's a powerful high-tech device with a very competitive price. We have been working hard in the last couple of days to release this product. The spread of the coronavirus increased demand of such filter material explosively in the last days and weeks, and so the demand for machines and auxiliary equipment has increased. This happens not only worldwide, but it happens locally, as many countries want to strengthen or build up domestic manufacturing for such material due to the supply chain issues in crisis situations. So you may have a manufacturer or a machine constructing company in your territory. We are ready to manufacture and sell the products. However, due to the high demand, you better check on delivery dates with us before you quote to the customer. You will receive all detailed information for the product launch of the 60 kV power generator, as well as the specific information for the charging application in the next couple of days. Until then, thank you and stay safe and healthy.